As the test approaches the critical wind speed, the onset of coupled flutter oscillation begins, captured in close documentary detail. Here on the core description deck, the team logs the samples, identifying the critical transition from marine clay down into the weathered granite bedrock.
The stress levels on the east suspension cables are exceeding the threshold.
We need to reinforce the damping mechanisms immediately.
In this geotechnically intensive operation, vibroflotation rigs prepare the ground. The dynamic compaction Here we see the critical phase of the pile cap production, the active concrete pour, compacted by vibrators to ensure structural integrity.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment on the far side. Easy, easy. Hold it right there. Okay, bring it down.
Hold the flow steady. Watch that seam on the right side.
Keep this section more. All right, moving the roll forward. Check the overlap right there.
Ballast levels stabilizing.
Confirmed. Element approaching final seating position. Control to divers. Confirm seal integrity.
Reading nominal. Control. Proceeding with the next bolt sequence.
Take a look here. This connection looks solid. Agreed. No signs of stress on the bolts. Moving to tunnel joint connection C. Ensure we have stable telemetry.
Telemetry is stable. Adjusting camera angle for closer inspection.
Keep it moving straight. All right, hold the line there.
Does that match the temperature spec?
Yeah, right on the mark. Lock it down. All right, lower the column slowly. Watch the cables. Holding steady. Pass me the impact wrench. Make sure that connection is completely secure.
It's locked in. We're good to proceed with the housing.
A wet film thickness gauge verifies the quality, ensuring the application meets the strict durability requirements for the bridge deck.
All right, start jacking. Watch that gauge.
Pressure coming up now. Steady.
Holding steady. Looks good.
pattern until validation is complete.
Fan status nominal. Airflow looks good.
Confirmed. Clearing smoke effectively.
The sensor data on Sector 3 looks stable now.
Confirmed. Pushing the new toll configuration live in 5.
Acknowledged. Monitoring traffic flow impact.
How are the readings on the main terminal?
Real-time data stream is stable. Activation confirmed.
Verify the underwater noise levels against the baseline.
Acoustic data confirms stable readings for the protection zone.
We've got a confirmed incident on the bridge, all lanes blocked. Dispatch emergency crews to the eastbound access point immediately.
I'm seeing some minor corrosion starting right here. Okay, I've logged the coordinates. Let's adjust the settings for a closer look.
Wind speeds are exceeding limits on Sector 3.
Initiate the closure protocol now. We need to clear the deck.
Look at the readings here. They match the pod outside perfectly.
The PAM system is working efficiently today.
The turbidity levels are stabilizing now.
Yes, consistent with the upstream readings. Record the average.
The dolphin population trend is showing a positive correlation with the new protocols.
That confirms the effectiveness of the protection program.
The autonomous inspection robot utilizes a sophisticated climbing mechanism to navigate the bridge cables, capturing high-detail data with its sensor payload.
Initiate the safety verification sequence for Sector Gamma. Data confirms structural integrity.
The audio features a woman speaking confidently and professionally, as if giving a presentation or training.
Surface control, the tidal window is holding steady. Diver 1 reports green.
Acknowledged. Team B, commence ascent protocols.
When I look at that structure, I don't just see concrete and steel. I see 30 years of dedication culminating in this achievement.
Today, we celebrate the successful completion and handover of this monumental project.
Readings for electrode 506 are steady at 20.05.
The 30.6 reading confirms the trend.
The Pearl River Delta stretches out below, a testament to the engineering marvel connecting these three major regions.
Initial assessment of the bearing shows only cosmetic damage.
Agreed. The typhoon mitigation measures were effective here. This comparison clearly validates our engineering models, showing actual performance aligned perfectly with predictions over the last 10 years.
This is the bridge that should not exist.